Hello, I'm Ed Patterson, Commercial Account Manager here at J.C. Lewis Ford. The guys wanted me to kind of give my feelings on the new 2021 F-150, the all-new truck. They said just a few minutes, I could talk for hours on this new puppy. I've been driving Ford pickups since the early 70s. Ford has always been the leader, 44 years running in America, best-selling truck. But really the one word that comes to mind when we're talking about the new 2021 is wow. Just the options, the features. She's real intelligent. Now I'm gonna kind of just touch on a few of those little basics today and show you, hey, you need to come look at this truck. First off, she knows when I'm coming. When I've got the key fob in my pocket, she automatically lights up when I get close. Is that convenient? Yes. Say you're an early morning riser, it's still dark outside, you got your hands full of tools, or maybe you got your hands full of fishing gear. You don't have to lay all that down for the truck to light up. Actually, the zone lighting will light up the whole truck all the way around. That makes it convenient for placing your tools or your gear in the back of the truck. Also, all I have to do to unlock the truck with the push button start option that's on this truck is actually come up and touch the handle. Once I touch the handle, all the doors unlock, including the tailgate. Let's start back at the tailgate. 2 clicks of the button, she comes down. Nice little features here. You've got extra hooks right here where you can hook in extra ratchet straps to hold that gear down or the lumber down. On the back with this work surface here, we've got actually take measures here to actually measure your product. One little key feature here, you got a cold brew or a cold beverage and you need to pop that bottle cap. You can actually use this to remove the bottle cap of the beverage. This also has nice little hooks here where you can put in your clamps to hold your product down while you're sawing it or whatever. This model does come with actually the pickup bed step. Makes it easier, especially for us shorter guys, to get up and down into the bed. And then very lightweight, lifting it up back into position. Coming back to the front of the truck, something that's real exciting for this year, 6 powertrain choices. Everything from the new 3.5 Power Boost full hybrid all the way down to a diesel option on this truck. This particular vehicle has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost 6-cylinder, my favorite engine. A lot of power, good fuel economy, and just overall performance is fantastic. Let's look inside the truck now. This is the XLT model with the 302A package, so it does have some features there. Got the nice redesigned cloth seats that are very comfortable. Larger console here and larger lockable storage in your center console. Let's get into the truck and kind of look at a few of these options. One that's going to really stand out and say wow to you. Okay, in this feature on this model, we have the new 12-inch screen. The screen is so much more user-friendly. It's all touch screen. This is the navigation screen up there. We've got all kind of different options down at the bottom. One thing, this truck is very intelligent. She has the Copilot 360 that is now standard on the F-150s, and it basically has got cameras in the front, the rear, and the side. So when I do put it into reverse, it actually gives me a full screen of the backup camera and also a 360 view of the truck. It's got cross traffic alert on it, so if you're backing up into a road and there's vehicles coming or backing out of a parking spot, it'll actually beep you and let you know that you've got some cross traffic coming in. Another nice feature I like with the 360, say we're pulling into a parking spot, you're not sure how far up you can go, I can actually switch this camera to front view of it. It actually gives me the front view of the truck and also the 360 view at the same time. Of course, this one, everything is fingertip control right here where I can control my cruise control, my stereo, my Bluetooth. And speaking of Bluetooth, with the new Sync 4 system on the Apple CarPlay in the older trucks in the 20 models and before, in order to do text messaging or use the maps off of my phone, I would actually have to hook up via a USB cable. With the new Sync 4, that is all done without the cable. So that's so convenient. You can leave your phone on your side. You don't have to plug in a cable. Also, the dash up here in front of the driver is so much bigger and brighter, easier to read with all kind of information. This particular model has adaptive cruise control on it with lane keeping assist. She actually helps you drive a lot safer. This also has different drive modes. If you're pulling a trailer, if you're in slippery snow, you can actually set the truck to know that this is the type of terrain that you're driving in. This also comes with your 12 volt power point and the power inverter with a 400 watt max power supply. One great feature that they've added for the 2021 models, you can also get extra, like a inboard generator on this truck that'll actually, you can get options of 2,000 kilowatts, 2,400 kilowatts, or even on up on the hybrid model of 7,200 kilowatt power inverter. That can run all kind of power tools. If you're tailgating, can run your lights. Just a real nice extra function in there. Also with the trucks, it does have the power fold where I can actually fold that shifter down. Gives me a more flat work surface. Also on some models it has the flat work surface here where you can flip the console up and you've got a full surface there for your computer or to eat lunch. Also they kind of, after the 250, they mimic this lost space in here and we're able to add actually an extra little glove box for you. So you've got your normal glove box, but then extra storage right here. Also, another great feature is a Pro Trailer Backup Assist with sensor. And basically, not only will the backup camera help me hook the trailer up, but with Pro Trailer Backup Assist, I can actually back up the trailer by not even touching the steering wheel. Also, on some models, it has the sensors, the blind spot monitors will actually encompass your trailer also. So not only will it tell you if somebody's in your blind spot for the truck, but also in your blind spot for the trailer. We say built in America, Ford proud, and we are proud to represent Ford Motor Company. Little option here that just touches my heart on both sides where they were finishing out this new dash. You'll notice the American flag right here on both sides. Just a little touch that makes us proud to be an American and proud to represent Ford products. We talked briefly about the power systems and everything. This truck basically comes with the 400 watt power inverter on it, but there is options to actually upgrade that to where you actually got a power generator on the truck up to 2,000 kilowatts, 2,400 kilowatts. On the hybrid model now, you can get up to 7,200 kilowatts of power. Amazing power that'll run all kind of saws. If you're tailgating, it'll run the lights for tailgating, it'll run the grill for grilling, and it'll run the TV to watch the game on. Something else new at the back for the 2021 model, you'll notice this little lip on here. This truck actually has an air spoiler on it. The engineers came up in the wind tunnel and figured out that the wind coming over here with this little bit of lip makes a difference in the wind resistance and controlling that wind flow. You'll notice also on the 21 models, new badge on the side. This is a good looking feature on the new F-150s. That's the way you can tell a 2021 model right off the bat. Also, you got a new hood design here. All this is all about aerodynamics and making the truck more fuel efficient, easier to go down the road. Speaking of fuel efficient and technology, in here we have air dampers that are automatically adjusted by the truck to warm the engine up or open up to cool the engine down. It's all controlled by the truck. She's really a smart vehicle. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video we threw together today. I'm excited about the new truck. I'm sure you will be too. Come see us at any of our 3 locations, J.C. Lewis Ford here in Savannah, J.C. Lewis Ford of Statesboro, and J.C. Lewis Ford of Hinesville. Our sales professionals will be able to show you the features and benefits on a one-on-one basis and match you up to the truck that'll best fit your needs.